Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, January 25, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Thursday, January 25, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong January 25, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, January 25, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 16.5 million pesos and Lotto 642 estimated jackpot price is 40 million pesos for January 25, 2024 Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, January 25, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.